Clouds and radar showing nothing too exciting. Really, the big story comes this afternoon. That's going to be fire danger. Right now, we've got 50s and a little bit of cloud cover. That's new, right? Yesterday, we had clear skies. A little bit more cloud cover this morning, but it's just this morning. We've got mainly sunny skies later today. A high of 90. That is not a mistake, y'all. I think today is going to be our first day of 90-degree weather for the year. We know that there's plenty more days ahead of that kind of heat, but 10% chance of an isolated storm and winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Everybody is hot for the time of year. We should be close to 20 degrees cooler than this in the 70s, but everybody's going to be in the 80s and 90s. I am expecting this morning cloud cover to clear into a mainly sunny sky by lunchtime. The thing about it, though, is this is a cold front dry line combo. It comes in and there could be just enough moisture to fire off an isolated storm or two in Milam and Lee County. I think there is very low concern here, considering the potential is low. There's a much higher chance that we stay dry, but my eyes are going to be up here with my friends in Milam and Lee County, just in case one of those isolated storms pops up, because I'll tell you why. There's just enough instability where we could be looking at some strong to severe storms. Again, low potential, low risk, but not zero. 1 out of 5 there in Milam and Lee County. What's the bigger issue? The bigger issue is the wind. Look at the wind as we get into lunchtime. Already gusting 15 to 25 miles per hour, but then here comes that front. Wind gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour this afternoon. We will likely see a repeat as we get into the weekend. But for today, a wind advisory is in place starting 1 o'clock for those wind gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour. This is in addition to the fact that we've got dry air coming in along those winds. That's where the wildfire risk comes into play. Very high to extreme fire danger in our hill country. This really starts in the western Austin metro and increases as you go further towards the west. That's where the concern is. That's also where the red flag warning starts earlier at noontime in the hill country. Austin metro, this starts at 4 o'clock this afternoon, but it's the 30 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts, the humidity less than 20%, and ongoing drought. Y'all, it's been a while since we've seen a soaking rain. And outside of that isolated storm chance up in Milam and Lee County today, that's it. There's nothing to help us out. So these cold fronts are going to come in and continue to give us wildfire risk problems as they do, because there's no rain and there's only going to be the wind and the dry air. We'll see that today. We'll also see this Friday, Saturday. Temperature wise, 90s today and tomorrow. Still warm on Friday ahead of the cold front, which shaves off about 10 degrees from those highs, but breezy to windy conditions, dry air, and high fire danger. Heading into next week, we've got sunshine, 70s and 80s, nowhere near freezing overnight. Most nights waking up to the 50s and low 60s. Erica?